If your controller's playing up on your PlayStation Classic mini console here, it could be that the cable has gone faulty. Luckily, you can swap them out quite easily. Let me show you how to do that in this video. So, we need to get a crosshead screwdriver and we need to undo the screws in the back of the controller. There's 8 of them all together. The screws are all the same, so it doesn't matter if you mix them up. And once all the 8 screws are undone, you just need to separate the front and the back like so. You can see the back comes off here. And this is the cable. And as you can see, they've made it nice because it's just a micro USB cable. So I'm just going to undo it from here and unplug it from here like so, and that's it. You can see they've used the little ports. They've made it really easy for you to change. Now if you can get one of the original cables, then all well and good, because you have this nice design on the front here. But if not, you can still use a micro USB cable. You just need to make sure that the end bit is nice and small. Don't get one that goes all the way back here, because you can see you're going to run out of room. So you need one with a kind of stubby end bit here. Right, let's plug it back in. This isn't faulty, I was just doing this purely for the purpose of the video to show you the inside. And it gets routed round here, around here, and up through here. You want it to end up coming through the middle bit there. So hopefully you will find a suitable cable. And then you just need to put the back on, drop the 8 screws, and that's it. That's how easy it is to change out the cable. So there we go, hopefully your controller will work again. So it's really nice that Sony designed it that way, that by just undoing 8 screws, you can simply replace the cable out. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.